Did you know that one simple shape, the circle, controls everything from the wheels on your car to the planet in space? In just a few minutes, I'll show you the simple secret behind the circle, its radius, diameter, circumference, and more. A circle is a set of all points that are the same distance from a single point called the center. The radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. This line that is used to measure the circle from the center to any point on the circle is called radius. So, the radius is distance from the center to any point on a circle. Now, real life application of radius. Let's look at a spoke on a bicycle wheel. Here is the center of this bicycle wheel. All the spokes from the center of this bicycle wheel are the radii. Radius is for singular, while radii is for plural. So, when we have one radius here, let's call it R, and another radius here, let's also call it R. Did you notice anything? I noticed that from one end of this circle to the other end of the circle, there are two radii. So when we have two radii in such a way that the radii divides the circle into two equal parts, we call it diameter. So diameter have two radii. So diameter is twice the radius and it passes through the center of the circle. Or you can say it divides the circle into two equal parts. It can divide the circle horizontally and it can also divide it vertically. Now, let us liken diameter to a 6 o'clock handle. Now, if you look at this clock at 6 o'clock, it divides this clock, which is a circle, into two equal parts. The circumference is the total distance round a circle. It is given as 2 pi r. An arc of a circle is just a part of the circle's circumference, the curve h, between 2 points. Imagine you take a piece of string and trace round the rim of a plate, but you only stop halfway. That curved portion you trace is an arc. An arc always lies between 2 points on a circle. Example, arc AB means the curved line connects point A and B on the circle. An arc can be likened to a smile of rainbow. A sector of a circle is the region enclosed by two radii of the circle and the arc between them. Or we can say it is the area between two radii and the arc. Think of it like this: a slice of pie or a slice of pizza. The two straight edges of the slice are radii. That is lines from the center to the edge of the circle. And the curved edge is the arc. So, the sector of a circle can be likened to a slice of pizza. A segment of a circle is a region enclosed between a part of the circle's boundary, that is the arc, and the straight edge that joins the end of the arc. In simpler terms, it is the space between a curve of the circle and the straight line across it. Let us identify a segment in this picture. The two cut upper part of this orange is a segment. So, a segment can be likened to the slice of the upper part of an orange. A chord is a straight line drawn inside a circle that connects 2 points on the circle's boundary or circumference. It does not need to pass through the center, but if it does, that special chord is called diameter, and diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Think of it this way: if you stretch a rubber band across any 2 points on the edge of a round plate, the rubber band represents the chord. A central angle in a circle is an angle whose vertex is at the center of the circle and whose sides pass through 2 points on the circle. Example, if you draw two radii from the center of a circle to its boundary, the angle formed at the center is the central angle. An inscribed angle in a circle is an angle that is formed when two chords of the circle meet at the points on the circumference of the circle. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.